Meaning of the English idiom pros and cons. Also used, weigh the pros and cons and consider the pros and cons. The pros and cons are the arguments for and against something, the advantages and disadvantages. When we weigh the pros and cons, we consider the arguments for and against something such as a proposition, idea, etc. To weigh in this idiom means the same as to consider. Examples of use. Before you jump into anything, you have to consider the pros and cons. It was hard to move away from the town we had lived in for 20 years, but we decided that the pros outweighed the cons. You need to know the pros and cons before you make a decision. Origin of idiom. Used since the late 1500s, this idiom is taken from the Latin words pro, meaning for, and contra, meaning against. It is an English rendering of the Latin phrase pro et contra.